Hi guys, how are you? Now we have discussed about the online earning. So now display Google AdSense on WordPress. Google AdSense is an easy way to make money from your blog. All you need to do is add a script from Google to your website and start displaying ads. You will get paid for every month, every time a user click on the ads. These are called CPC ads. What is CPC? CPC stands for cost per click. By displaying CPC ads with Google AdSense, you receive a set free fee every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The cost per click is set by the advertiser. This is no contrast to CPM ads, where you are paid for ads views instead of clicks. CPM means cost per thousand impressions, where M is the Roman number for 1000s. Google AdSense is a good way to start earning money online with when you are first starting out. You can see our guide on how to monetize a WordPress blog with Google AdSense to get started, and this tutorial on how to optimize your AdSense revenue for more tips. Looking for a Google AdSense alternative? Try MediaRent. They also have a large pool of advertisers and their payouts and goods are those. Use a WordPress advertising plugin to sell ads directly. Google AdSense is easy to set up, but the amount of money you can earn is limited. Each ad click earning will vary. Directly selling banners ad space on your website can be more lucrative instead of having to rely on an intermediary who takes a cut of money. You negotiate the price and terms on your own. Above we mentioned the difference between CPC and CPM ads, where you are paid per click or per thousand views, while you could use one of these models for selling banners ads. Most bloggers charged a flat rate. Instead, charging a flat rate is easier than keeping track of views or clicks. Still, directly selling ads take more work to manage that using Google AdSense. Instead of just adding a bit of code to your website, you will have to negotiate the pricing, come up with an agreement and terms, and take care of administrative work like invoicing. However, using a WordPress and management plugin can make the process easier. We recommended using AdSanity. It allows you to manage Google AdSense as well as your own ads. To learn more, see our guide on how to sell ads on your WordPress blog. Sell sponsors blog posts. Some bloggers aren't interested in displaying ads to their audience and wonder how to monetize a blog without ads. With Ad Network, you lose some control over the content displays on your sites. Some readers will get annoyed or offended by ads, and more people are using ad blockers, which affects your earning potentials. An alternative way to monetize a blog is through a sponsorship. A sponsorship works just like it does in sports, TV shows, or other industries. Basically, a company pays you to represent their products, talk about it, and promote it to your audience.